The usual dreamscape dance. Ever wondered what will happen if a bubble party broke inside a bottle?
No, this isn't a science fiction movie. It's the Lava Land experiment, where we make a groovy, glowing lava lamp using some materials. First, we'll talk about rainwater with vegetable oil. And slowly pour water until it's nearly filled. Watch how water sinks under the oil.
Next, drop in a few drops of food coloring. It will pass through the oil and mix in the water. So dramatic!
Then we drop in one piece of an antiseptic tablet at a time. The lava lamp action begins. Here's the scoop. Water and oil don't mix because they have different densities. Water is heavier, so it sinks, and the food coloring mixes with the water, not the oil. That's how the lava lamp party is achieved.